I grew one of my Instagram pages to over 100,000 followers only using AI and was able to make over $12,000 in passive income since starting this business. And the way I did that was by focusing on these motivational AI videos. And I'm sure you've seen countless videos about the monetizable shorts, but the sad truth is that not a single person has been able to monetize these videos to their maximum potential. And no, I'm not talking about YouTube ad revenue. I'm talking about the potential of making money with 0 Instagram followers. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, using the exact strategy, I grew one of my pages to over 100,000 followers, and I'm already making consistent passive income. And this side of the business is what we are going to explore in today's video, showing you the process step by step from the idea to the first dollar. So the way I grew my page was by only focusing on Instagram Reels, and I went with 2 styles. The first was this motivational stoic look, and the second was animated storytelling videos, and everything of course was done with AI. And if you're wondering how I monetized these Reels, was by selling digital products related to my niche. This is a much easier and faster way to earn money as it bypasses requirements like the YouTube Partner Program or TikTok Creativity Program. So if you're lucky and your videos go viral quickly, you can start making money right away. So the first thing you need to do is decide on which topic you want to create videos about. And to save you some time, I recommend choosing a topic that falls under one of 3 categories: health, wealth, or relationships. So to save you even more time, I've created a list with over 300 ideas for each category. Feel free to check it out in the description box. In my case, I went with motivational self-development, which falls under the health category. So once you pick a niche, go ahead and sign up for a free Instagram account. And using ChatGPT will turn it from this boring look into something professional that attracts followers. Using the following formula: act as an expert Instagram content creator and write an SEO-optimized Instagram bio for your niche using the following structure. So right here, you need to type your niche, which in my case, motivation and self-improvement. So using this formula, ChatGPT will generate 5 options that you can use. And this bio optimization will boost the chances of people discovering your page. So at this point, your page should be ready, and we can move to the most fun part, which is content creation. And I'm gonna start by showing you how to create these motivational stoic videos.
The more we value things outside our control, the less control we have.
And the tools we're going to use are ChatGPT to come up with content ideas, 11 Labs to generate the voiceover, Midjourney to generate visuals, Immersity.ai to turn the images into animated videos, and finally CapCut to put everything together and create a professional-looking video. So I'm going to start by opening ChatGPT and asking it to create a list that includes motivational self-improvement quotes from different Stoic philosophers, each with a relevant visual idea to use as the background. And as you can see, we got what we asked for in seconds. So let's say you like number 4. It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. What you need to do now is copy the quote and head to 11 Labs to generate the voiceover. For this one, I will go with a voice called John Doe, as it fits this theme perfectly.
It is not what happens to you, but how you react.
And after generating the voiceover, simply save it to your device. So now it's time to generate the background image. And what I did here was simply copy the visual idea from ChatGPT and then used it as a prompt in Midjourney to generate this image. Just as simple as that. But now it's time to turn this static image into an animated video. So first, head to Immersity AI and upload your image, and you will notice the animation automatically appears on the image. However, on the right-hand side, you can choose the animation style. All of them look great, so just choose what you think will look best. And once you do that, simply export the video. So at this point, you should have all the elements ready, and it's time to put everything together inside CapCut. Create a new project and start by importing the animated video and voiceover and dragging them into your timeline just like that.
It is not what happens to you.
After that, click here on text and then generate auto captions. After generating the captions, select all of them just like that and head to templates here at the top. Choose the caption look you prefer. I personally like this white one, so I will go with it. And from the Effects tab, I like to use the Chrome Blur effects, which adds an epic look to the video. So, at this point, you are pretty much done. Simply add music and some sound effects if you want, and your first video should be ready to publish.
It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters.
So, when you are done, simply upload the video, add a caption, and post it on your page. And basically, repeat the same process over and over again to keep creating new content. But let me show you how to create this more advanced animation style.
Imagine your goal like a mountain. Climbing it isn't easy, but every step gets you closer to the top.
And keep watching because later I will show you how to make money with these videos. So for this style, we will need ChatGPT 11 Labs, an AI tool called Pika, and once again, CapCut. So first, we will head to ChatGPT and use this prompt you see on the screen. And once again, all you need to do is change the niche according to yours. And this prompt will generate a storytelling script using techniques that keep viewers' attention. So as you did before, copy your script and use 11 Labs to generate the voiceover. And after the voiceover is done, we will start generating the animations for our story. And to do that, we will use this AI tool called Pika. So similar to Midjourney, you will have this text box at the bottom to enter your prompt. But first, you need to click here and select the preferred style, which in this case will be anime. But the question is, what prompt should you enter to generate relevant animation for your story? Well, here's where my other prompt comes in handy. All you have to do here is insert the script you have generated, and it will automatically come up with animation ideas that you can use. By the way, guys, all the prompts are in the description box. After that, simply start copying the ideas and using them as the prompt in Pika. And by doing so, you will generate high-quality animation quickly and easily. The only thing left now is to import everything into CapCut and get those creative juices flowing to create a masterpiece.
Imagine your goal like a mountain. Climbing it isn't easy, but every step gets you closer to the top. Don't be afraid of the obstacles. They're part of the journey. Stay focused, stay determined, and keep climbing.
So once you are done, go ahead and publish your video and repeat the same process over and over. But now it's time to discover how you can monetize your account and start making money. So as I said before, the way I made over $12,000 was by selling digital products related to my niche. And to give you a better idea of what that looks like, I found this account that is doing the exact same thing. So as you can see, this account also creates motivational types of videos. However, their bio includes a link to their website where they sell digital products like this book and phone wallpapers. And this is exactly what you can do to make money. And you don't need to be an expert because with the help of AI and some basic design skills on Canva, you can easily create phone wallpapers and list them for sale in your bio. And you even don't need to build a website at the beginning, as you can use sites like Gumroad to sell your products. And you must keep in mind that there are no secrets to success. It's a numbers game. The more you upload, the more attention you will get over time.